An overview of the new GDPR, CCPA and general data regulatory compliance delivered through BigDataRevealed, removing the biggest obstacle keeping near 100% of companies non-compliant to date. No more excuses. There are not enough hours in a day or days in the regulatory requirements to deliver GDPR, CCPA or others compliance. I will be showing the new technology to connect directly to your legacy JDBC relational databases, as we have been doing in Hadoop's hdfs for quite a while now. I will also show that millions and even a billion rows of data can be processed with BigDataRevealed, in some cases in just minutes and others in hours. Here in this example, Spark and BigDataRevealed are reading 10 million rows of an Oracle table into Spark memory, ingesting it into the Hadoop ecosystem, processing a GDPR personal information pattern discovery from 10 million rows in approximately just under 2 minutes, again in memory. Spark lends the ability to optimize its memory processing speeds by controlling and accessing the memory, cores, partitions, executors, caching option and more. These parameters can be modified in the command line and others each time. BigDataRevealed has made it easier and a repeatable process for every BigDataRevealed job to establish the Spark configuration, so the most optimal will run the same for each person running that process. This can mean the difference of a job running several hours versus a few minutes or even failing, if the parameters are not set accurately. Now allow me to show you how easy it is to set up a RDBMS run. Select the existing database button. This will bring up all pre-configured parameters established by the DBA or an admin. Now test the connection. Next, click the icon to see the available tables. BigDataRevealed through JDBC and Spark retrieve the catalog and tables and allow the user to select the table or table they wish to run the compliance process against. Here we see additional options for the run. If you are running a citizen's right of erasure, or an encryption process to protect citizens' personal information, or merely run a discovery for where you have stored personal information or information of a specific person, BigDataRevealed allows you to only create the metadata for later remediation, or to write the remediated data back to the originating database, Hadoop's hdfs, Amazon's S3, or any combination of one or all. And again, all the processing is done in Spark and Apache 3.1 Hadoop's ecosystem memory for scalability and speed. While we wait a few minutes for the job, let me show you how the pre-configured parameters are created for each and every JDBC RDBMS we process for. This makes it easier, quicker, and most accurate when other setup JDBC RDBMS compliance runs. Now let's take a quick look at all the metadata and catalogs available for download in Excel, and this same metadata can be retrieved directly from MySQL. Here I want to download only the past few days of metadata for the benchmarking I have done for pattern discovery. I can do this with the date parameters and select the pattern SQL metadata. Here we can see what the results were from each run with the timestamps, file name, pattern name, and other information and counts. This allows for a deeper dive by data stewards, stakeholders, and ETL team members, and if remediation is necessary, they will know exactly where to find the personal information found in the discovery run. You can also view the run's results and metadata and even drill into the data if necessary or desired. See prior videos for these details. Here is an example of an HDFS discovery of email patterns on a 1,000,000-row file processed in near 40 seconds. Architecturally and with methodologies, the ingestion of RDBMS into HDFS then processing for GDPR, CCPA may reduce total delivery time by hours. Applications, by themselves, are not enough. They must be combined with intelligent use of advancing technologies and data environments to be successful. We feel BigDataRevealed has reached those levels and will allow you to be successful. Reach Stephen Meister at 847-791-7838.